welcome again to the Renault Kwid's new Apple CarPlay and Android Auto tutorial. So what I'm gonna help you with is how to set up your Android Auto on your smartphone. So I hope this is gonna make your life a bit easier. So let's see what we can do. I would just like to point out, during the making of this small tutorial, no animals were harmed or endangered in any way. So
right, what you need to do is you have to take your smartphone, you have to go to Google Play, then at the top search for Android Auto. It's gonna be a white block with like a blue triangle in it, like in a picture. So you have to press install. So wait for it to install. After that, open it. So when you open it, you'll see a get started button. So as soon as you press the get started button, there's a few steps that you have to follow through. You can read through everything if you want first, but please remember you have to allow all the permissions, otherwise it's not going to work properly and everything is not going to work like you want it to. So also do allow for your screen overlay or your permissions and final permission, so that will help you for a further setup. You plug it in to the USB drive of the vehicle, of the Kwid. So as soon as you plug it in, you'll see. So what will happen then is it will flip over to the Android Auto screen on top of the radio display. So there you'll get different options. So on the right hand side you'll have your back button, which will go to the Renault main screen. Then after, next to it, you'll find your music button. So that's for your Google Play music and that stuff, and of course your Spotify and all of that. Then in the middle is your home button. Then next to it is your phone button, so you'll be able to access your phone book and all of that. You can manually enter phone numbers and all of that in your screen. And then on the left hand side, that's where you'll get your maps, where that you can use, like your Waze and of course your Google Maps.
I hope the video helped you. I tried to make it as easy as possible for you. It's actually simple. If you just read through the description that you see on your screen, it will actually guide you through it. But the apps you have to download, like your Spotify or your Waze app to get your live traffic updates, and your Google Maps will work quite well on it. That's the next car that we're gonna handle. We're gonna talk about the Renault Sandero Stepway Plus. You're gonna love it. See you in the next episode. But anyway, have a great one. You'll see from me soon. I'll make another video this weekend. Go like, tick the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.